Okay, this is called Artbox, and Artbox is in near Asok and Nana, and right now it's about midnight, and I'm kind of surprised it's still open because this is. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Because this is considered one of the night markets, and night markets have been closing around 11 to 12, I thought, but now it's like almost 12, and this one still seems like it's going pretty strong. But on the other hand, I can see why, because it's in a popular area, and it's also December 30th. Somebody's been drinking a lot here. So it's December 30th, and it's a popular place. Some of these have dust on them, which implies they've been there a while. So I guess they're sort of part of the design, but it makes you feel like that's a good place to get some beer, though, doesn't it? Let's see, these are bugs. Some of those are pretty tasty, actually. So sometimes they have live music back here, but it looks like it's the live music might be already over. No, there's still some live music. We'll walk by it in a second. So yeah, this is Artbox. It's a Monday night, December 30th. Traditional pulled pork. Okay. Here it is, Box Bar. Same lighting as Box Artbox. So we're just gonna go over here. Check this out. So they have lots of live music here. And they sell some shirts and things over on that side. So this is the drinking area, some restaurants in this area too, but we're gonna walk over towards the over on the other side. So yeah, this is Artbox. You can buy your Cheng beer here for 100. We're just gonna walk towards this musician. We'll keep on exploring. So, okay, this is more of an eating area. Get your pad thai, your spicy mango. Oh, you can mix, eh? Budweiser in Hogarden. Pizza as well. All right. Well, some Bangkok t-shirts. You just kind of see. Just want to see what other Bangkok t-shirts they have, and if they're soft. Oh, yeah. Korean food. And more live music up here. Juice for health. Sushi. A lot of good food. Prices are going higher and higher here too. Reflection of that, I guess. Down this street, and we'll probably conclude in a little bit. this might be a good concluding spot. So okay, so now you kind of get to see Artbox a little bit, and it is closing up a little bit. Huh, we got soju right here, and they're doing hennes and gonbei soju. Okay, some nice open bars here, and we're gonna conclude with that. Look at the stars at night, eh?